Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Topic is innovative customer service to outshine your competitors. Customer service to customers before, during and after purchase. Before, during, after sales, after purchase, customer service is to be provided. For customer satisfaction, to meet the customer expectation, you need to meet the expectations of the customer for customer satisfaction. Retail stores have a counter for returns, exchanges and complaints. If retail stores in retail stores there is a counter for returns, exchanges and complaints. Customers have memories. They remember you. Customers have memories. They remember you. Innovative ways of providing customer service. I am giving you innovative ways how to satisfy the customers. 1. Provide customer service that distinguishes your business from competitors. Your customer service should distinguish from your competitors, so that customer will resort to you only. Number 2, word of mouth. Customer recommends your product to his friends. If customer is satisfied with your product, with your customer service, then he will recommend that product to his friend. Number 2, study the competition. Train your employees and treat them well. Study the competition, train your employees and treat them well. If a customer asks for a product, lead him to the product instead of directing him. If a customer asks for a product in a store, don't direct him, it is there, take it. Go along with him and show the product, as the sales executives, the sales girls are doing in the supermarkets today. 3. Build business to customer loyalty. Build business to customer loyalty. So, customer loyalty is required. 4. Deliver on your customer service promises. Whatever promises you made while selling, that service is to be delivered to him properly. 5. Be honest with your customers. Always be honest with your customers. 6. Don't make promises unless you will keep them. Don't make promises unless you keep them up. If you can't keep the promises, don't make them at all. Number 7. Solicit and use testimonials from your satisfied customers. Testimonials of your customers, you can solicit and use them for your propaganda, publicity, advertising. Number 8. Customer is always right. If a customer comes to you about a complaint, be serious how to handle it. The HP laptop fellow, the HP store, that customer service center, they deceived me. They did not treat me at all. I didn't like HP service in Secunderabad. Why? Because I didn't like it. They didn't receive me properly. They said it is failed. The machine is failed. Laptop is failed. No, it's not failed. Later it has come to know in a private third party service provider. He repaired it nicely and I sold it off. That is why customer service is very important in 21st century. Today, if you are serious about customers' complaint, then you are done. Your business is okay. Calm him with words and show him that you are serious about his complaint. calm him, silent him, and tell him, yes, we are serious about your complaint, we will do it and do the proper service. Compensate the customer even if he is wrong. Even customer is wrong, you compensate him. It is better for repeat business that customer will again come to you. I used to go to Secunderabad. Secunderabad there is AC selling shop. So he calmed me, gave me good service. Again today to buy AC I will go there only. That is the repetition. That is the power of customer. If you make customers unhappy in the physical world, they might each tell 6 friends. In the physical world, if you make customers unhappy, each one may tell 6 people, so that your business will be out. If you make customers unhappy on the internet, they can each tell 6,000 friends. In the physical world, in the internet also, they can spoil your business. Most customers will respond favorably to good manners. Customers like good manners from the shopkeeper. Social media sites like Facebook, Twitter are greatly amplifying the customer's voice in the marketplace. Social media, it is amplifying. Social media are amplifying the customer's voice in the marketplace. 9. Take the complaint as a gift. When the customer comes with a complaint, take it as a gift. Studies show that a satisfied customer will tell 3 people about his experience with your company. If the customer is satisfied, he will tell 3 people, it's good, it's good, it's good. A dissatisfied customer will share his lament with 10 people and some will push that number to 20. 10. Listen to your customers. People who call want to talk to a live person, not a fake recorded robo. People don't like to speak to recorded robo. People like to speak a live person. 11. Emergence of customer relationship management. Now, customer relationship management has emerged. CRM has emerged. CRM is a broadly recognized, widely implemented strategy for managing or nurturing interactions with customers and sales prospects. Various types of CRM. Customer relationship management. 1. Marketing CRM. A key marketing capability is managing and measuring multi-channel campaigns including email, social media, etc. That is one marketing CRM. Metrics monitored include clicks, responses, leads, deals, and revenue. Number 2, customer support and support to CRM. The core for customer service has been and still is comprehensive call center management, intelligent call routing, computer, telephone integration, e-service capabilities like web self-service, knowledge management, email response management, web chat collaborative browsing and virtual assistants. So these are the customer support things. 3. Social media CRM. Social media sites like Facebook, Twitter are greatly amplifying the customer's voice in the marketplace. Customers use social media sites to share opinions and experiences on companies, products and services. Social media are not censored. No censor for social media. Central government is planning censoring social media also. Individuals can say anything they want about a company or brand, whether pro or con. 4. CRM vendors. CRM vendors include Oracle Corporation, SAP, etc. CRM is expected to grow in future. Remember, our business is our customer, not our products or services. Big money is keeping the old customers. Each individual customer's perception of your company will determine how well you do this, and that perception will depend on the level of customer service you provide. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hari Prasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.